What if I told you there's an AI tool that can edit your videos in just one click? No more late-night editing marathons, just polished, professional videos in minutes. Stick around because today I'm revealing how Gemoo is about to change your content creation game forever. Hey creators, if you've ever spent hours cutting clips, fixing audio, or adding subtitles, you know how exhausting video editing can be. But what if you could slash your editing time by 60% or more? That's where Gemoo comes in. Before we dive in, if you're all about working smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm always sharing tools like this to help you create better content faster. Okay, let's be honest here. We all know the hardest part about making videos isn't the filming, it's the editing. You might spend 30 minutes recording, but then you're stuck editing for 3 or 4 hours. Cutting out all those ums and ahs, trying to get the subtitles just right, searching for that perfect background music. It's exhausting. And the worst part? All that time you spend editing is time you could be using to create more content, engage with your audience, or honestly, just take a break. Well, that's where Gemoo comes in to save the day. Gemoo is an AI-powered video editor that can take your raw footage and turn it into a polished, professional-looking video in just minutes. It's like having your own professional video editor working for you 24/7. Let me show you just how easy Gemoo is to use. First, search for Gemoo on Google. Click on the first website to reach the Gemoo homepage. Here, you'll see 2 options available, login and sign up free. Let's click on sign up free. After clicking, you'll get 3 login methods. Sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, or use email login with any email address. I'll sign in with Google. Once login is complete, you'll see the main page that says transform any video into viral-worthy clips in 1 minute. Look for the Get Started Now button and click on it. This takes you directly to the dashboard. Notice that you can generate 3 videos for free. There are 2 options here, AI Smart Editor and AI Clip Maker. Let's click on AI Clip Maker. After clicking, a pop-up window appears where you need to upload your raw or long video. Let me choose one video. I have an Elon Musk speech that's quite long. Next, you need to choose the language of your video. I'll select English, US. Now you'll see lots of templates for captions. Choose one that matches your needs and appearance preferences. Then, select your short video length. I'll choose 60 seconds here. Now just click Generate. After this, the AI automatically starts processing and detects the best parts of your video to include. It shows you different clips to choose from. See how the titles describe what content is inside each clip. You can also edit any of these clips by clicking the Edit button to make further adjustments. Watch how Gemoo transforms this long Elon Musk speech into a powerful short clip in seconds.
We're going to have safe cities, finally, safe cities. Secure borders, sensible spending, basic stuff. And we're going to take Doge to Mars. I mean, can you imagine how awesome it will be to have American astronauts plant the flag on another planet for the first time? Bam! Bam! Yeah!
Once your clip is generated, you can also make more edits if needed. Let's explore the editing features. Click the Template button to customize your subtitles. You can change everything about them, their position on screen, size, font style, and colors. Add stylish shadows or outlines, include some emojis, or make your text pop with cool animation effects. Love how your captions look? Save your design as a template for future videos. Gemoo also offers pre-made templates that match what popular YouTubers and TikTokers use, so your videos can have that professional look right away. Notice a mistake in your captions? Simply click on any word to edit it. You can easily add line breaks or move text to a different frame with just a couple of clicks. Adding new captions or removing unwanted ones is incredibly simple too. It works exactly like editing a document. Select, click, and you're done. Want to emphasize certain words? Click on any word and choose from various visual effects or sound effects.
How awesome! it will be to have American astronauts how awesome it will be to have American astronauts.
Here's the best part. Adding B-roll couldn't be easier. Just highlight where you want to insert visuals, search for images or video clips right inside Gemoo, and add them with one click. No more jumping between different programs or wasting time searching for the perfect footage.
Be to have American astronauts.
Now you might be wondering, is this tool right for me? Well, if you make any kind of videos, the answer is probably yes. YouTube creators can use it to make their editing process 10 times faster. TikTok and Instagram creators will love how quickly they can turn long videos into short, engaging clips. Teachers and trainers can use it to make professional-looking educational videos. Even businesses can use it to create product demos or promotional videos without needing to hire an expensive editor. At the end of the day, tools like Gemoo are changing the game for video creators. Instead of spending all your time editing, you can focus on what really matters, creating great content and connecting with your audience. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert or have any special skills to use it. If you can click a button, you can make professional videos with Gemoo. Ready to try it out for yourself? Just go to gemoo.com. I'll put the link in the description below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you make and how much time you usually spend editing. I read every single comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.